12 years old. But the past is still fresh in my mind. I can still remember when I was nursing my stepmother. One day, she asked me, Rubina, when I'm done, would you want to have another mama? Mama, what do you mean? Do you mean to leave me? Do you mean to go away from me? No, mother. Please, Mama, don't leave me. Suddenly, Papa arrived home, shouting at me, Rubina, give me food. I'm hungry. But Papa, the food is only enough for Mama. But Papa didn't say a word. Instead, he took off his belt and whipped me. Whipped me. Whipped me. I cried hard for Mama's help. Help me, Mama. Help me, Mama. Stop that. Stop that. Mama tried to stop Papa. But Papa pushed Mama aside and she fell on the floor. Then, Papa! Mama! You will kill Mama! You will kill my mother and your own blood! Oh, Mama!
Grabe ka naman, te. Huwag ka naman magpahiya.
Papa doesn't love me anymore! 3 days after the funeral, Papa brought me a lady, more beautiful, younger, and fresher than my mother. I couldn't believe that my Papa would do this. Papa said, Rubina, here is your identity. She is your new mother, and obey all what you want. For the first week, Aunt Letty became very good to us. She washed our clothes and cooked our food. But one day, Aunt Letty cooked. Rubina, come here. Clean the house. Then wash our clothes. Then after that, see to it that the plants are watered. I did it happily. And when I finished all my work, Aunt Letty shouted at me, Rubina, get out of the house. I don't want to see your face anymore. Can you understand that? But, Aunt Letty, where should I go? Instead of answering me, he pushed me to the stairway. I moved around the city, not knowing where to go. Then, twilight came. I came to a house placed aside. One time, a helper. I immediately knocked at the door, and the woman opened. Good evening, madam. I think you need a helper. I'm applying because I don't have a house to stay in. But you're too young, replied the woman. But madam, I know how to work. So, I was accepted to work hard to please the woman. One night, I am dreaming that my mother was calling on me. Rubina, Rubina.
Nandito, si Rubina Kalunghi.
And your mother is waiting for you. I jumped up and ran as fast without the courtesy and soul of my mind. And when I arrived home,
Nakayamo si Rubina.
was
Ng ano, ng...
I opened the door
ng Nico.
and I was surprised! 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 When I saw my Papa lying on the floor, dead. Papa! now 5 years in prison. But I'm still the girl whom you love, whom you care. I'm the girl